Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Dutch from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw the top of his head with diagonal curve line upwards to the right, turn it downwards. Repeat that same set of line again on the right corner right here, and another one. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a small arch curve line at that corner. Turn it diagonally downwards to the right, semi-turn downwards. Below that ending point, slightly to the left, diagonal line downwards and to the right, sharp turn to the left. Repeat that same set of line again, and at that ending point, curve line downwards, zigzag line across to the right, curve line diagonally down to the left, semicircle turn across to the left. Now from the top left corner of his head, diagonal curve line across to the left and downwards, semicircle turn downwards. At that ending point, I'm going to draw his left eye with an arch curve line. Turn it downwards and slightly to the right at the inner corner, across to the left and downwards, semicircle turn up at the outer corner of the eye, curve line upwards to the ending point above. Inside of the eye on the left, I'm going to draw his pupil with an oval shape at that corner, and inside of that, I'm going to draw a small circle at this upper point. At the outer corner of that eye, I'm going to continue the line of his head with curve line downwards, turn it diagonally inwards to the right. Now for his right eye, I'm going to draw an arch curve line on the top right corner of his face right here. Extend it downwards with curve line at the outer corner on the right here. Turn it inwards to the left. U curve line to the left. Turn it diagonally upwards. And from the inner corner of his eye right there, I'm gonna turn it diagonally up to the right and to the outer corner of his eye. Inside of his eye, on the right corner, I'm gonna draw an oval shape. And inside of that, a small circle at his upper point. Now in between his eye, I'm gonna draw his nose with a triangular shape in the middle point right there. And below the nose, I'm gonna draw a curve line downwards, semicircle turn to the left, curve line across to the left, and semicircle turn upwards with a short curve line at the outer corner of his mouth. I'm gonna mirror the same shape of the mouth on the right side right here. And below the mouth, I'm gonna draw his teeth with a line downwards in the middle point, curve line across to the right, and semicircle turn upwards at the outer corner. Mirror that same shape of the teeth on the left side right here. Now for his ear above his head, off center to the right, I'm going to draw a line upwards on the right corner, semicircle turn diagonally to the right, turn it downwards, sharp turn up, sharp turn downwards at the outer corner, semicircle turn diagonally in and to the left. Inside of the ear, I'm going to draw on the left corner a line upwards, semicircle turn to the right with an upside down V shape, semicircle turn diagonally down and slightly to the left. Now for his left ear, off center to the left, above his head, a curve line upwards, semicircle turn to the left, semicircle turn downwards, turn it to the right diagonally, turn it downwards and slightly to the right. Inside of that shape, I'm going to trace the same outline along the edge. Now below his head, I'm going to draw from the left corner a curve line downwards, turn it diagonally up to the right. Below that, from the middle point, I'm going to draw a small arch curve line to the left, turn it diagonally down to the left. Mirror that same shape on the right side. Turn it diagonally up to the right. Above that ending point below the head, I'm going to draw the collar of his suit with curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally to the left. Below the collar of his inner shirt, I'm going to draw a curved line across at that corner and another curved line across below that. Below that, on the right side, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards and to the right. Same is going to turn downwards. Turn it diagonally out to the right. Same is going to turn inwards to the left. Turn it back out to the right and same is going to turn to the left. Turn it downwards at that corner. Mirror the same set of line on the left corner. And inside of that shape, at the side, I'm going to draw a semicircle line at the top corner right here, and another semicircle line at this middle point, and another one at the lower point right there. At the inner corner of those semicircle line, I'm going to draw a diagonal line to the middle point and upwards at the inner corner right there. Mirror that same set of shape on the left corner. Now for the collar of the suit on the left side, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards from his left teeth at that point. Curved line out on the left side of that and turn it diagonally down. Curved line across to the right. Turn it diagonally down to the left and turn it downwards and slightly to the right. On the left side of the collar, I'm going to draw his shoulder with curved line out to the left. Same as you could turn diagonally downwards to the left. Flare it out on his elbow point, curved line downwards. Turn it to the right and turn it diagonally up at that corner. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw above that ending point a curved line across and slightly upwards. Sharp turn diagonally downwards to the left and turn it downwards. On the right side of that, a line across from the upper point right there. Curved line downwards to the left. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw his hand with curved line across to the right and turn it diagonally downwards. Now for the color of his suit, on the right, I'm going to draw below his head a line downwards and slightly to the right. Turn it downwards, turn it diagonally down to the left, sharp turn diagonally down to the right, and turn it back diagonally down to the left. On the right side of the collar, curved line diagonally out to his shoulder point on the right there. Same as turn downwards, turn it inwards to the left, diagonal line across to the left and downwards. Same as turn on his elbow point to the left, across to the left, curved line upwards on his sleeve right there. Turn it diagonally up to the right, curved line across to the right, and above that ending point, curved line up, same as turn to the right, and above that, diagonal curved line up to the right, same as turn to the right at the side of his shoulder right there. Now for his right hand, I'm going to draw on the left side of his sleeve a line outwards at the lower point to the left right there. Curved line upwards, turn it sideways to the right. On the left side of that shape, a short line out to the left at the lower point at that corner. Now below his arm on the right side, I'm going to draw his waist with diagonal line downwards to the left. Same as turn downwards to the edge of his suit. Curved line across to the left. Turn it upwards. Turn it diagonally up to the right. On the right side of that, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards at that corner. And on the right side of that, I'm going to draw a small circular shape. On the left side of that circular shape, I'm going to draw a curved line at that corner. At the side of his suit on the right, I'm going to draw a curved line below his elbow point to the edge of the suit below. And on the right side of that line, I'm going to draw the pocket of his suit with two lines across on the right corner right there. For the left side of his suit below his right arm, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards from his sleeve right there. Flare it out to the left, curved line across to the right, turn it diagonally upwards to the middle of his suit. Below the suit, I'm going to draw his pants with curved line downwards from the right corner. Flare it out on his knee point and turn it back diagonally inwards. Curved line downwards and flare it out below the knee point and turn it downwards. Curved line across to the left. And for the inner line of his pants, I'm going to draw a curved line across for the middle of his pants right there. And off center to the right, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards for the inner line of his right leg. Turn it inwards, flare it slightly out and turn it back diagonally inwards. Below the knee point, curved line downwards and turn it slightly to the right and to the lower point of his pants. Below the pants, I'm going to draw his shoe with a curved line downwards at the inner corner on the left. Flare it out to the left and turn it downwards. Across to the right and slightly downwards. Same is turned back upwards on the right side. Now for the outer line of the shoe, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards below the pants on the right corner all the way to the base. Slightly above the base of the shoe, I'm going to trace the line along the lower point right here. And below the pants, off center to the left, I'm going to draw a line downwards. Turn it diagonally down to the left, sideways to the left. Mirror that same set of line on the right side of the shoe. And inside the shoe, below the pants, I'm going to draw a crisscross knots with an X shape at that corner and another similar shape below that. Now for his left leg, below the suit on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards. Turn it diagonally inwards on his knee point and curved line downwards below the knee point. Flare it out to the left. And from that point, diagonal curved line across to the right. Turn it upwards, flare it slightly out, and turn it back slightly inwards at the back of his knee. Flare it out with a diagonal curved line, turn it back inwards, curved line upwards and slightly to the left. Below his pants, I'm going to draw on the left corner, diagonal line downwards to the left, sideways to the left, and semicircle turn downwards. For the back part of the shoe, curved line downwards on the right corner, curved line across to the left for the base of the shoe, turn it upwards, turn it across to the left diagonally downwards, semicircle turn across with curved line to the left, turn it upwards, curved line across to the right, semicircle turn diagonally upwards, curved line across all the way to the back of the shoe. Inside of the shoe, below the pants, on the left corner, diagonal line downwards to the left, turn it downwards, curved line across to the right, and semicircle turn downwards at the back. Below the pants on the left corner, I'm going to draw an X shape for the knots of the shoe and another similar set of line below that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.